Today it is a wig making video. So just to give you some heads up, about a week and a half ago, I was supposed to attend a wedding. At least that was the plan. I had submitted my information for the RSVP and it got lost in cyberspace. But in any event, I do want to show you the hair that I was going to wear for the wedding. So if you remember this wig here, that's the wig that I made in 2017, and even though I made it and I wore it, I never really finished my wig. And so what I want to show you guys today is the basics of how I made my crochet wig. And one of the things I like about kanekalon wigs, if I can get over here, is the texture. It mimics my hair when it's blown out. Okay, and so that's one of the things I enjoy about making my own wigs, is that I want them to be as natural looking as possible. I love the texture of my hair, and so I don't want to go from having kinky curly hair to having something that's bone straight. That is just my personal preference. So with this wig, I actually haven't finished it. Even though I wear it, I really haven't finished it. So I'm going to show you guys. I just parted it. Normally I would just wear the hair down in the front, and that's kind of how the bangs are cut, but I did just part it. So you can see that, hopefully if it'll focus. See, it'll focus on my finger. There we go. This is a crochet kanekalon wig. Yeah, buddy. So I have like a makeshift part right here, and I am going to clean it up, but I am going to fill it in some more. Okay. So that is the goal today, is to fill this in. And then I am going to come back and take the blow dryer to it just to get some of the volume out, guys, and then I will probably curl the ends some. So let's see how all of this turns out. I'm working with 1-inch chunks of hair, and so we're going to come in and fill in these bald spots here and fill in some gray across the top. I'm doing my gray first, and then I'll come back with some 1B to finish out, but I do want a little bit more gray accent, so we're going to just go through. I don't want to put too much more thickness in the back, but there are some areas that need some loving. So what we're going to do now is I'm taking a few strands of my gray, and I'm going to mix my gray with a few strands of the black. Mix my gray with a few strands of the black, and we're gonna fill in the top kind of like that. But the main goal is to make sure not only that I'm filling in, but the hair is laying right, y'all. So that way we get the little touch of gray without the big patches. I did install clips onto my wig. Gotta figure this thing out. And I did trim the bangs. Bangs were going crazy. My bangs were, they had a life of their own, guys. And so I was like, okay, we gotta do something. Now, I am not wearing a wig cap. One, I don't have that much hair. And I actually will probably let a little bit of the front show. Okay, let's see if we can do this without looking too crazy. Ooh. I'll tell you one thing. Those combs ain't going nowhere, guys. Oh my gosh. Those combs ain't going nowhere. And of course, I did not bring a comb with me to the bathroom. Okay, so what I did with my wig, and I am going to pin it in the back. I opened up the curls some. I did open up the curls because they needed it bad. They're kind of tight. And I had one curl that wasn't dry all the way when I took the rollers out. And so what I tried to do is open up the other curls in the back so they're at least close to that same length of my little problem child. So you can see I do have a little bit of hair coming out in the front, which is one of the reasons why I like using this type of hair to make my wigs, because it blends in, guys, it blends in. Oh, I'm glad I trimmed the bangs and combed the curls out. It was a little harsh for me. It was a little harsh, but I think as a whole